You slept 8 hours. You woke up exhausted. You have absolutely no idea what your brain just did to you. While you were unconscious, the most powerful identity update of your entire day happened. You missed all of it. And tomorrow, you're going to miss it again. Let's talk about 3 a.m. Most people think sleep is when the brain shuts off, like flipping a switch. 8 hours of off so the brain can rest. That's not what's happening. Your brain during deep sleep is more active than your brain right now. Watching this, metabolic rate goes up. Cortical activity spikes. Neurons fire in patterns you can't generate while awake. It's not off. It's running a job you can't see. The job is updating who you are. Sleep moves through 4 stages, in cycles. Stage 1, drowsy. 5 minutes. You're drifting. Stage 2, light sleep. Heart rate drops. Brain starts cleaning up the day's experiences. Stage 3, slow wave sleep. The deep one. Your brain consolidates everything from the day, deletes what doesn't matter, files what does. This is where long-term memory gets written. Stage 4, REM. Eye movement, intense brain activity, dreams. Emotional memories get reprocessed. Creative connections get formed. Most of Stage 3 happens between 1 and 4 a.m. The heaviest filing window of your day. That's 3 a.m. Here's the part nobody told you in school. What your brain consolidates overnight isn't just facts. It isn't just what I had for lunch. It's who you are. Your stored beliefs about yourself. I'm bad with money. I'm not the kind of person who succeeds. Relationships always end badly. They're getting reinforced every single night you sleep. Consolidated. Signed in ink. Robert Stickgold at Harvard has spent 30 years showing that the sleeping brain doesn't just save memories. It integrates them into your existing identity model. Every night, you wake up a slightly more confirmed version of whoever you fell asleep being. If you spent the day broke and scared, your brain spent the night writing that into the file. So the question is, what's getting written tonight? Most people destroy this window without knowing it. Alcohol suppresses REM. You wake up rested, but you haven't actually processed yesterday emotionally. Screens until 11 p.m. Delays the cortisol drop. Pushes slow wave sleep later. You sleep through your filing window. Doom scrolling before bed. The last thing your brain consolidates is whatever you fed it in the last 20 minutes awake. You go to sleep on a video about how the world is collapsing. Your brain spends 8 hours filing the world is collapsing. Your brain is going to update your identity tonight, whether you participate or not. The only question is what it's updating it with. Here's the leverage point. During slow wave sleep, your ears stay on. Researchers at the University of Bern have shown, repeatedly, that auditory information played during this window gets encoded. The brain doesn't store it as something I heard. It stores it as part of the memory it's already consolidating. It becomes part of the file, which means what you fall asleep listening to is what your brain practices being. If you fall asleep to a podcast about how everyone hates you, your brain rehearses that for 8 hours. If you fall asleep to your own voice telling you that you are capable, focused, and at peace, your brain rehearses that for 8 hours. Both are equally biological. The only difference is what you chose. So, if you want to actually use the 8-hour identity update that's happening tonight, whether you participate or not, you have a few options. Option 1. Just be careful what you watch and listen to in the last hour before bed. Simplest version. Free. Option 2. Record voice memos of what you want to be repeating to yourself. Play them quietly through the night. Option 3. Curated sleep affirmation playlists on YouTube or Spotify. Option 4. Voice cloning apps that record your voice once and play it back at the right volume during the right brain state. None of them are magic. They're just deciding what your brain practices being for the next 8 hours. Every night you go to sleep is a night your brain rewrites who you are. Every night you ignore, that is a night somebody else's content writes it for you. 3 a.m. isn't off. 3 a.m. is when you become someone. Choose carefully. Subscribe if this rewired something for you. See you in the next one.